Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. So for today's look, I decided to dabble in on the greens. Just from a lot of other YouTubers and just people that I see, they complain that there's no eyeshadow palette out there, or there's no like tutorials that are green. And I recently just bought the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette, and I thought to myself, why not play with the greens for my first look? And this is what I came up with. And before we jump into the look, I just want everyone to say hello to my new child. This is Salem. He is my new child. I just got him a couple of weeks ago. He's about 13, 14 weeks old now. Some of you guys may have seen him already blown up on my Instagram. You guys are probably already like, okay, we get it, you have a cat. But he's not going anywhere. And I might make an Instagram for him, who knows. Earlier while filming this video, he was laying on my table, watching me do my makeup. Oh, you sleepy? You ready to go to bed? I woke him up, just to come make a little appearance on my channel. Alrighty, you ready to go back to sleep? Ready to go back to hiding wherever you were? I would kiss you, but I don't want to get lipstick on. Alrighty, and on with the show. Okay, so let's get started. So for today, I did my whole entire face off camera. I did everything except highlight because I wanted to do that on camera. But everything that I used on my face will be listed right down below under products on my face. So for highlight today, we're going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics, the pressed powder, the highlighter powder and blush kit that was part of the Kris Jenner collection. Here it is right here. You're doing amazing, sweetie. So for today, we're gonna go in with it's snowing pussy willows, and then I guess I'll dip into a little money doesn't grow on trees, unless you're at the Kardashian house, which money probably does grow on trees. It's not as reflective as it is in the sunlight. Here it kind of looks just very like glowing, but in the sunlight I feel like this shade is very glittery. Just gonna add a little bit of money doesn't grow on trees on top. There we go. We are now, oh, there I am. I haven't done my makeup like this in a very, very long time, and I was like, I don't look normal. Now we're back to normal. So yeah, for today we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. Here it is, beautiful, brand new. Comes with this little thing right here, which says all of the shade names. So I use the MAC Painterly Paint Pot to prime my lids, and I'm just gonna go in with chalk, which is like this all white color, to kind of set the primer. And for today, we're gonna use this as my mirror. So yeah, we're gonna take this shade chalk and just pack it all over the lid to set the primer and everything in place. Okay, so before I get started, I need color on my base. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. blush. It is Candid Coral. So we're just gonna go in with this brush right here, tap the excess. Alright, so we're gonna take the shade Pale and put it into the crease as our transition shade. Alright, so it seems to be almost the same identical color as like my skin. And I can see a little bit of difference. I don't know if the difference is showing up on camera. Alright, so now we're just going to go right into the greens. We're going to go in with apple cider and just take that in the crease. Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. So I took another smaller brush and it seems to be packing on the color a little bit better. Okay, so we're doing some last minute blending, making sure it's all blended out and where we want it. Next we're going to go with Forest, which is this dark green shade right here, and put that into the outer V. By the way, I went into this look straight with this palette. I've not looked online to see inspiration. I feel like I should have went online and looked to see if there's other tutorials that people did with greens, so I get inspired and do something that actually looks good. But you know what? We're just gonna go in with it. Alright, so next we're gonna go back in with apple cider, and I'm gonna go in on the top, making sure that it's all blended out. Jumping back into Forest and really just making sure that that darker green is where I need it to be. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Earth. It's kind of like a dark satin shade. I'll put it over Forest to kind of give it a kind of a shininess to it. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer. I'm just going to cut my crease. Alright, so I just got a cat, and he is, I feel so blessed and so lucky to have him. Growing up, I did have cats, but they weren't mine. They always were my brother's. And let me tell you, it is like a world of a difference when the animal pet is like yours. It makes a world of a difference. Not only because like you're paying all the vet bills and you're buying all the food, but also it's like the shift in the animal. Like the animal pays attention to you specifically more. It's like so weird. So now I'm taking a carbonation. I first laid down a layer with the Kylie concealer, and I'm taking some MAC Pink Cloth to kind of go over the concealer. Next, we're going to go back into PhiL, and we're going to take this shade, a combination also with chalk, to set the concealer. Now I'm going to go back into a mixture between Forest and apple cider to kind of diminish this harsh crease line. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with Earthly and Forest to kind of diffuse this harsh line right here. Alright, next we're going to wet the brush, and we're going to go in with Smashbox, which is like this shimmery green shade, and put it over the lid. Wet the brush. Now with Smashbox, we're going to go over the lid. I'm not going to go with any blacks yet until I'm done with everything 100%. So we are going to darken a little bit more. What's the black called in this palette? It's called Pebble. We're going with Pebble later. Alright, now we're going to go back in with apple cider, and we're going to take that underneath the eye. We're taking that apple cider shade and just putting it underneath, poking out underneath. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the shade Forest and go underneath and darken and kind of darken / smoke out the bottom. Alright, next we're going with this small little detail brush that I'm using. It's the Morphe M07. 507. And we're gonna go back into the forest shade and kind of like define the crease, not only back here, also a little bit up forward. Okay, now adding black. I'm always scared of adding black. I'm afraid I'm gonna add too much and just gonna fuck everything up. So we're gonna go in with a new semi-clean brush, dip into the black. I'm just gonna dip a little into it. I'm just gonna flicker it on. Alright, next we're going to go in with this Bella Perry Cosmetics loose powder and just dust a little bit over the eye. I do not have glitter glue, so I'm literally just sticking it on. Ooh, you know what we could do? We could wet the brush a little bit maybe. Maybe that'll help stick. That's a very minimal effect. That's okay. Alright, so this eye pretty much is complete at this point. As far as eyeshadow wise, I'm going to do the other one off camera to catch it up, so I'll be right back. And we're back. Yeah, so I just got full on ready. I was finishing up the eyeshadow and I was like, you know what, I don't want to like go back, like done, and then be right back. I'm going to do the rest of the face off camera. So I just did my lashes, liner, everything off camera. I'll go through it right now. Let's see. So to finish off the eyeshadow, I went back in with a little bit of petal on the outer corner to deepen it. Then I went in with the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette with the diamond powder highlighter for the inner corner. Next I went in with the E.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner. Here it is right here, but it works really good. I like it a lot. A+, I approve. Alright, next I went in for my top eyeliner. I went in with what I usually normally go in with, the NYX gel liner and smudger. That worked really well. And then for lashes, I went in with Lily Lashes in style, what style did I go in with? I went in with style Luxe. And then last when I stacked the lashes on, I went underneath again with the shades Forest and Apple Cider to re-smoke out the bottom, just to balance out everything with the lashes on top. Okay, so now that my eyes are on, this lip has to go. Like, does not go with this look. Alright, so we're just taking a makeup wipe and just wipe off the lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing is Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Libra. Alright, so I removed my lips, and I'm going to go in with this guy. Ooh, let's open her up. There it is. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Equality Bundle. And for this video, I think I'm going to go with Equality. Ooh, yeah, I think that'll be cute. I've never used a little mini one before. This is literally my first time using it since I bought the bundle back in June. Or in July. Alright, so here goes nothing. Okay, so this is Equality on the lips. Alrighty, and now let's go in with our setting spray to set the look. And now let's take our fan and try the face. Shade. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look. How do you think? Let me know down below. What do I think now? Let's pull out this Kylie Cosmetics mirror, and I loved how this look turned out. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. I was like, green colors, ooh, I don't know if I can do that, but I turned it out. And for this video, this was my first time using the Morphe 35B palette, the Color Burst. The colors that I used, I like them a lot. They were really good, really easy to blend out. No complaints here. I would recommend this if you like color. If you are practicing and want to start off with the color palette, I would recommend this. Alrighty, and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Equality Bundle. This, again, if you're not big with playing colors and want to start playing out with colors and not want to go full on buy a bunch of products, this is definitely a great way to start. because this retails for $52, and I think you would only be able to get like 3 of these shades in full sizes. This, you can get a whole range, not that much of it, in case you're like, I don't like that color, I don't like that one, but I like, you know, a couple other ones. So this will be worth it if you're dabbling into colors. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Leave me some comments down below how you feel, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, what you thought was your favorite part of it, what I can do better for next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by clicking that like button down below and share with all your friends, family, whoever. And if you enjoyed me, then subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that bell notification to be alerted exactly when I upload. And if you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links will be linked down below. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.